Don't worry, I can handle these explosions.
Damn it! The ground's breaking up!
Oh dear, she's taken a tumble.
Looks like the comms tracking system's offline. The explosion must have knocked it out.
You're the last person I expected to hear from. This about the girl in the Kamui?
Yeah, you could say that.
She's trying real hard out there, but... well...
Hey, Senkets! Are you up for doing something really, really reckless?
I'll do my best.
Bye-bye!
Hasn't had it long and already it's evolved to fly?
That's my Senkets! You can do anything! We'll call this Senkets!
She's going way overboard here. It's evolving too fast.
You think this thing's turning into a worst-case scenario?
Yeah, I guess.
I'm on it.
Is mine, goddammit! So now the gloves are coming off. You stinking bitch!